Oh, is it not all of it?
Not all the way down. Okay. Should we now? Nice. Yes, I do have one more, so let's go over there. If you had a so we can talk.
Okay, yeah, that's what, this was 3 days after, so this is why I'm explaining my lip is still a year later, very sensitive.
Yes, I really liked your teeth. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah,
beautiful.
this had already come down.
This is a beautiful. You see, the longer than this. Number
Yeah.
9 was a little longer than. More
Well,
longer
it had
than-
come down because I broke both of them off at the roots.
That's not good.
Right, so this is longer than
No,
normal.
no. See, that's exactly what I said.
Yeah,
That your central teeth
Yes.
is more brighter
Okay.
than the other
Oops.
one. All right, so she's here regarding 2 implants, and then Angie is questioning. Okay, explain to me.
so these have been in my mouth for over a year,
Uh-huh.
and the screw came loose twice.
Uh-huh.
And these are now, I've got a wider gap here when I floss. Here's what's happening. You see this tooth here?
Uh-huh.
Right here. This one is,
You can lie down.
you can see where this has actually come more towards this tooth. So these aren't where they need to be. Now I know Julie took the whatever those gold rods are. I know she sent that all to you. Is that going to correct this? Because I can feel pressure on this tooth.
So you think this is a problem right now?
I think if this goes back where it should be, it won't be a problem. But you see how it's starting to cross because there's a space between them now that didn't used to be there. I can floss without a problem. When the periodontist first put this in, I had that snap with the flossing. Now I don't. Again, the screw has come loose twice. The periodontist put it back correctly, and then also Julie. But I've had them for over a year in my mouth.
Okay, so what she's talking about this, she had the 2 implants. Okay, so we're talking 2 different things. 8 and 9 was a gap right now, so we can add it.
This?
Yes.
Well, they should, when the periodontist put them in, I didn't have that gap. I think they've moved because they've been in there too long.
Correct.
So, yeah, and then the other problem, and I think Julie told you about this, is I don't want that,
The black triangle.
Yes.
You see it in here? Huge. Okay. We're trying to cover it.
yes.
Okay. What else?
That's about it, really.
Then you're talking about contour.
Yes, because I feel like, do you see how that's crossing there?
Here, can you come here?
Right here? See how it's come over more towards the tooth? Because now if you look sideways, this actually looks longer than this. And this is
Okay.
my front tooth.
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah, so what do you want me to do?
I don't want this to be overcrowding this tooth. I want this to be more like it was when the periodontist put it in.
Okay.
But I think with the gold rods that will happen, right? Is it just because these have been in too long?
Possible.
Okay. The other thing too is I want them longer. I don't want them this.
You're smart.
I want to look my age. I don't want to look like a millennial that has all the perfect teeth. I want to look my age. I want perfect teeth. Perfect teeth, but I don't want them the same.
Right. So she's 100% right. Then most of the people, I would say 99% people's anterior central longer than lateral. So whenever I see the temporary, it's shorter than lateral.
Yeah.
So I'm going to make the more longer.
Yeah.
Just like looks like 2 millimeter. Can you see in the mirror? Here's just like this much.
Okay.
Okay.
I know that Julie can take more off, right? If need be. No?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I definitely want them longer.
Can you take the bite? Can you make like this? Protrusion. All right, that's the key. A little bit more out. A little bit more out. More out. More jaw out. No, I'm just like this. Back slightly back. All right, you see the grind is grinding. So I have to see the little protrusion. So that will affect the occlusion. So what I'm going to do, 8 and 9 slightly make more facially out. Then you have a freedom about lower teeth.
Okay, is that going to give me, that feels like I'm going to have buck teeth.
No, not really, just a little bit. that's why you mentioned exactly, you see it's lateral. Can you see the mirror? You see lateral is sticking out. You're exactly right. So
Okay.
this is under contour.
Okay.
So I have to make slightly out.
Okay.
Then make the even.
That scares me to hear that because
Oh.
these feel straight. They feel good here.
You like that?
I don't want anything coming out.
Just a little bit. It's not a lot. Just very.
Can that be changed if it looks like I've got buck teeth?
No, you don't get any buck teeth. You don't get any buck teeth. We made a really good stuff. You and I I'm talking about probably 0.2 millimeter. Very tiny little bit too.
Okay. Can that be changed though? Once you've made them? Probably not,
You
right?
can change it.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. You're the professional. You do what you think. I just don't, because I don't want to look like a rabbit, a bunny rabbit. I don't want my
Correct.
teeth.
Nobody wants it.
Yeah.
Except Hollywood. I mean, the Halloween.
Yeah, right. Hell
Right?
yeah.
Okay, so whenever she's talking, I see big smile, so I can make slightly longer, and then lateral, just follow this shape, and then I can definitely try to add with the black. Can you chin down? Thank you. You see black hole? Then meaning it comes down,
Yeah.
so I have to make long into proximal contact, trying to hide it.
Yeah.
You see, she's right. She's too short, so I can add it. But like I said, I'm worried about the longevity, meaning porcelain protect. So we fabricate with the implant, with the layering, and then ceramic. I'm talking about ceramic. Okay, so your jaw, lower teeth is moved forward facially when you go to sleep, and sometimes you bogging to my ceramic.
Right.
So sometimes you get the little micro crack.
Okay.
So eventually crack.
Okay.
So that's what I'm talking about.
I see what you're saying, yeah.
So I have to make slightly out
Okay.
for your occlusion movement.
Okay. And it's going to be ceramic, not porcelain? The
Porcelain ceramic, same thing.
They're the same thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But we have a foundation. We have to make the good foundation of abutment with the titanium, whatever. I recommend the titanium is better. Here's the things. So we can make titanium compared to zirconia, but I prefer titanium is much. I'm talking about inside,
Okay.
substructure, just like our building.
Okay, because I've got the titanium plate. So you're talking about post? What are you talking about?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So that healing cap we're going to out. So we're going to bring it back to just like post. We call abutment.
Okay, got
Looks
it.
like you will have to grind it. Just
Mhm.
looks like that. But will be silver color. But we're going to hide with a tooth color,
Okay.
and then we can make the cap.
Okay.
Or I have to take a look at a little more detail about your cases.
Okay.
Or I can straight put the porcelain top of that, so make one body, just one. So doctor can use one, put it back, the screw down all the way.
So both teeth would be one, they would
Correct,
be together.
definitely.
Okay.
That's my goal.
Okay.
That's the best way.
Okay.
Okay, because you can get retreatment all the time if we need it. If you have a problem, they take it out. That's the best way.
Okay.
Okay. Now I did not talk about the color, so I have to go into color. That's more killing point. Okay, so you and I talking about the shaping. Shaping is fine, but I'm talking about the colors. She's lateral. Can you go more down? Glad this one's slightly lighter than this. Can you take a look at it?
Yeah, I know it is.
Good.
Yeah.
Natural tooth, just like that.
That's
It's
why
not-
I'm here, because
Yeah.
of this.
It's not like the shade tab. So whenever I check the color, chin down. What do you think? It will not be perfect color. I like this.
This looks like the same thing I've got here.
Oh
That.
no.
No?
This one is monochromatic, so they don't have any. Oh, Viper. Can you see?
Uh-huh.
It's more translucency.
Okay.
And also, I can put. This is a guide.
Okay.
So based upon this, so we can apply more facially, add it with a different enamel,
Okay.
and then we have to create other your teeth color.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm talking about, this is regular shade tab. This doctor use it. Nope. Like I said, this is not matching, so we have to using the too dark. What do you think?
I don't all it, but if you can tweak it.
Correct. Yeah, so I'm going to tweak it with this custom ceramic. See, chin down a little bit. You see? Can you more magnify? Then I can write it down about what she need. And then I can, you see this is more darker. So do you mind I can follow this?
What do you mean?
This color.
But this is different, right?
Slightly darker.
Okay.
When you see the microscope.
Okay. So what do you mean you follow this for this one too?
Well, I'm trying to follow this color slightly lighter than this.
Okay.
So it will be this color will be this.
But then that's going to show up more, right?
Not
Because
really.
it's darker.
Not really. Not really. People not going to notice it. So you're talking about micro. So
Okay. But here's what I'm asking. If these two teeth here are different colors,
slightly.
but I can tell by looking at this that these don't match.
Correct.
So if we use the same on both sides and these are different colors, isn't that going to show?
No. No.
Okay.
It'll be okay.
Okay.
It'll be okay. Because this one is monochromatic, so this is lighter, slightly offset, but slightly darker here. That's it. Compared to this,
Uh-huh.
you see here lighter. It's a little bit down,
Uh-huh.
just a little bit, tiny bit.
Uh-huh.
Here's a more blue opolucency compared to this.
Okay.
So whenever you see central, you see more notify.
Uh-huh.
If I put the more yellow and the opolucency, you'll more see. So I like this. So you
Okay.
can see this color is here. Then we can make the color white. Any more question?
I don't think so.
After this, I'm going to write it down,
Okay.
and then we can go by one. Then I
Okay.
can take a picture,
Okay.
and then we can start get ball rolling.
Okay.
All right. So I need probably a couple of weeks, 2 weeks, something like that.
Okay.
Any more question?
I don't think so.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
Does that hurt when you do it?
Yeah.
Or can you feel a little?
Mhm.
Okay.
Absolutely, all the time.
All right, so that screw is in there. Are you going to take the crowns out?
Yeah, I'm gonna take this.
Okay.
So
Because the screw is in number 9.
I think I need a little bit more.
Oh, is it not all of it?
Not all the way down. Okay.
Should be now.
Nice. All right, cool. Thank you.
You can take it.
Beautiful. It's beautiful. I don't know why, right? Hold on. Okay. To the side. Okay. Up. This color, right? This color. This color. All right. All right, let me screw down.